message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Columbiana County and east central Ohio until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was located near Lisbon, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but they're not limited to, Lisbon, Beaver Creek State Park. In addition to large hail and damaging wind, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is a killer. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Columbiana County, Ohio. Urgent weather.